Hello. Okay, so yes, my video does not look that well this evening. That's just because I'm in the living room and there's poor lighting, but that's okay because this isn't for you all to see my face through the whole video. So instead, what we're going to do in this video is I am going to share with you a little trick here. Okay, so I am a Googler. I prefer Google as my search engine. As you can see here, I've got several default search engines appearing on my Windows 10 application on my laptop here. So Windows is a great product, and I don't like Bing as my search engine, nor do I like Yahoo. There are a lot of people who do. It's just a preference thing. So here's what we're going to do here. Because I prefer Google over Bing, I am going to show you how to override, essentially, the default programming that even though you download Chrome, let's say, as your web browser, and you make Google your default search engine, there is some programming that is embedded to override that default search engine and bring it back to Windows product, which is Bing. So, which is fine. A lot of people love using Bing and Yahoo. I prefer not to. So, I am going to show you, if you have a preference as well over, for Google, how to override that. So what I did here is I'm going to open up a new web browser. I'm going to go into settings. Okay. All right, so once you're in settings, we're going to come over here to, on the left, to the menu bar, and we're going to click on search engine. And as you can see here, it says Google Chrome is my default browser, right? But it's not, being allowed to be my default search engine. So I'm going to come here towards the top under search engine, and it says manage search engines. Click that. All right, so now we're back in this page here. And as you can see here, you have got the three dots on the right of each one of these search engines that are coming up as default search engines. Again, there's programming that even if you make Google your default search engine, it's still going to be overridden. So I don't use DuckDuckGo. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on those three dots, and I'm going to remove from list. I don't use Yahoo, so I'm going to remove from list. I don't use Bing, so I'm going to remove from list. I don't use Ecosia, so I'm going to remove it from list. And I'm going to also, let's see here, we've got to edit this because McAfee also changes things as well. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. I'm going to come down here. I've got other search engines that come up as well, YouTube, college that I attend, and then my own art gallery webpage, as well as eBay comes up as a default. This one here, I'm going to just double check. I'm going to say manage default. And then that way it's now bolded. So as with anything that you do, you often are required to either restart your machine or restart your web browser in order for the changes to go into effect. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to close out my web browser, and I'm going to come over here, and screen sharing has stopped. So I am going to go back, and I am going to go back to the screen here. Give me a moment. All right, so now I'm going to restart my web browser. And as you can see, yay, I have defaulted to Google instead of being with Yahoo. So really, really easy peasy thing to do. I will post up more of these. If you like these how-to videos, please follow my YouTube channel. And I can show you, let me go into YouTube. I'm gonna go into my channels here, my videos. Do all kinds of different videos, which is a lot of fun. So, and I just want to make sure that you guys can all see this. All right. So this is my YouTube channel. There are different categories within the channel. I do sell Avon products. I sell Party Light. I have an art gallery, as well as I am a licensed real estate agent, and starting up these help desk, technology help desk videos. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them on this video, and I hope that you all tune in again. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful night.